representing the new energy able to replace depleting natural resources, and everyday innovations brought by science and technology. Rechargeable batteries have transformed our lives. ECOPRO Materials is a specialized company in producing precursors that secure the performance and competitiveness of rechargeable batteries. We were the first in Korea to develop and mass-produce high-nickel precursors, leading the localization of the precursor industry and securing competitiveness in the global market. With unwavering dedication to rechargeable batteries, ECOPRO entered the precursor industry by acquiring the battery materials business of JL Industries in 2006. In 2013, it began supplying cathode materials to Sony. And to ramp up mass production, ECOPRO established ECOPRO Materials in 2017. ECOPRO Materials consecutively completed the construction of its precursor production process, CPM, and its raw material sulfonation process, RMP, enabling a total production capacity of 50,000 tons. As the sole mass producer of precursor nationally, it successfully entered the cost beam in 2023, demonstrating its corporate value. ECOPRO Materials boasts a distinct competitive advantage through an integrated production system that combines raw material utilization and precursor production. The internally designed processes and methods applied in RMP extract high-purity metals from low-purity raw materials, reducing costs and enhancing the added value of precursors. Additionally, by selling processed nickel, cobalt, and manganese from the RMP process externally, ECOPRO Materials is expanding its customer base. With its unparalleled technology, ECOPRO Materials is spearheading the advancement of precursor technology, not only domestically, but also in the global market. Through independent research and development, free from reliance on overseas sources, ECOPRO has achieved domestic firsts with mass production of mid-nickel and high-nickel precursors. It has also pioneered the development and production of oxide precursors, aimed at increasing the production yield of cathode materials and enhancing the lifespan of rechargeable batteries, thus effectively meeting the evolving demands of diverse customers. ECOPRO Materials' continuous investment in R&D is bringing the advent of next-generation precursors closer to the near future. The development of various products such as ultra-high nickel precursors with nickel content exceeding 90%, cobalt-free precursors, OLO, and single crystal precursors is underway. This advancement is driven by stable production capacities, ongoing investments in equipment compatibility, and the extensive experience of our research team. Consequently, we are witnessing significant enhancements in battery performance and diversification into various industrial sectors. Furthermore, by securing an unparalleled technological advantage, we are leading the development of the domestic precursor industry. Starting from battery recycling, ECOPRO Group's ecosystem of rechargeable battery materials production encompasses the production of cathode materials. Within this ecosystem, ECOPRO Materials plays a pivotal role in completing the cycle of cathode material production. Through the utilization of refined raw materials from battery recycling for precursor production, ECOPRO Materials leads in carbon emission reduction and resource circulation efforts. Furthermore, by producing high-quality precursors crucial for the stability and lifespan of batteries, it accelerates the development of safe and efficient electric vehicles and electronic devices, paving the way for a sustainable future for humanity. ECOPRO Materials, harnessing the environment and preparing for a better future. ECOPRO Materials, as a specialized company in rechargeable battery materials, providing optimal solutions in the field of precursors, is advancing towards becoming the world's top precursor company. ECOPRO Materials.